Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to draw these cute and funny characters called Cappuccino Assassino. First, let's start. Two big round eyes make them look cute but serious. So grab your pencils and markers and let's begin drawing together. It is super fun and cool character. Now add the little black circles and white highlights inside. Next, let's draw the ninja headband on this forehead. I am drawing a small left symbol like for animal, but you can make your own design too. Are you having fun watching my video? This is my first video with my own voice, so I hope you enjoy it. Now I am going to fill the black areas. I am going to fill in the black parts in both eyes. This will make them look shiny and bold. To draw the full body of this sculpture. We will draw the arms, legs and the whole body step by step. Now I am drawing the body since it is shaped like a coffee cup. The bottom is a bit narrow and the top is wide. You can even add some design here like a ninja logo or a funny sticker, and just like that we have completed the full body. Now I have added some extra design to the head to make it look more cool and funny. Draw two small arms on each side. Give him two short on in each hand. He is a tiny but powerful ninja. Now I am drawing the first shots in his right hands. It is long and a little bit curved at the top. Now I am going to draw the left arm. Let's make it small and curved, just like a ninja ready to attack. Now the second shot goes in the left hand. They look like he is ready to fight. You can also decorate the sword's handles, maybe add some lines or a little symbol like a star. Now I am going to draw both legs with shoes. I am drawing it a little short and simple. Now the left leg, I am making it the same size so it looks balanced. You can add some design on the shoes too, maybe lines, dots or even a ninja symbol. Now I am going to start coloring from the head and then move down to the full body. I am using coffee color for it to give a bold ninja look. Now I am designing full body. Finally, I will color the arms, leg and shoes to complete the full look. Let's make it colorful and full of life. Since it is a ninja character, I am using coffee color for the sleeves to match the costume. I am using careful coloring inside the lines so it like clear and neat. I am using black color for the blends to make them look sharp and shine. And our ninja shorts are ready. Now I add yellow color. I am going to use yellow color to make it look more beautiful. And yellow always makes a character look brighter and happier. So I am adding a touch of yellow here just to make it pop. You can use your favorite shade of yellow too. And we are done. This is our cute Cappuccino Assassino. If you like this draw, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.